And then if you didn't realize that you got, for instance, if you didn't realize that you got dinged by the toll system, because they don't have those, what do you call those things anymore? In the beginning, right, they had those gates for the tolls, right? So if you saw one of those gates, you're like, oh dang, oh dang. But you ended up on those things, you could at the very least pay the toll. And then, yeah, you were annoyed because you ended up on the toll, but you'd only pay whatever you had to pay at that time. And now, for many, many years, it's not been like that anymore. They automatically charge you based on your plates, your car plates, your license plates. So then they just send you a nice letter in the mail where they tell you, look, it seems that you have ended up erroneously or by mistake on the toll, and then you have to pay it. And if by accident that piece of mail that was supposed to get to you gets lost, or for some reason you forget to pay it right away, they keep adding and adding and adding and adding, at which point maybe a $1 fee can become something like a $100 fee, $200 fee. It just keeps going on and on and on and on and on and on until you're bankrupt. So anyway, how do you like living in 2022? We're almost in 2023. How do you like it? How do you like them apples? I don't know. I'm not sure if somebody's gonna drive me home. If the car is suddenly gonna drive me home, the Toyota RAV4 might already have the capabilities to drive me home. You just don't know. You just don't know. Sometimes if you put it on autopilot, it can stop you from crashing. I have not done so right now. So right now, if I screw up, it's all on me. It is all on me, 100%. Anyway, so things change, people change, right?